Hello everyone and welcome back to Bike Plus, your destination for future vehicle reviews, legendary automotive stories, and exciting concepts from the world of cars and SUVs. In today's video, we are looking at a vehicle that represents adventure, durability, and timeless design, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. Known for its rugged personality and off-road heritage, the CJ3B became an icon for drivers who wanted simplicity and capability. Now imagine this legendary Jeep returning in 2026 with modern upgrades while preserving its classic identity. First look, heritage meets modern design. The imagined 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep could keep its iconic boxy silhouette while introducing modern styling elements. The traditional round headlights, upright grille, and strong body proportions could remain, giving the vehicle a nostalgic feel with a fresh appearance. Modern LED lighting, redesigned bumpers, wider wheel arches, and rugged alloy wheels could create a stronger road presence. The design could continue to focus on practicality while making the Jeep feel more premium and refined. Engine and performance. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep could be designed to maintain its adventurous spirit while improving performance and efficiency. A modern petrol or diesel engine could deliver smoother power and better fuel economy compared to older generations. A capable four-wheel drive system could make the vehicle ready for difficult terrain, mountain roads, and outdoor adventures. Improved suspension and better steering response could also enhance comfort and control both on highways and off-road trails. This imagined modern version would likely focus on reliability, ease of driving, and everyday practicality while keeping the rugged character that made the CJ3B famous. Interior and features. Inside the cabin, the 2026 CJ3B Jeep could combine classic inspiration with modern comfort. A digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and practical storage solutions could create a more advanced